Here I am back to filthy place from nurses. Incompetence at cleaning. Here we go again. Look at the state of it. Why should I be doing it? And my daughter, when they get paid 37 pound an hour to up to 80 something, £9 an hour, £89, not £80. It's absolutely everywhere. I've had a look. Oh God, look at that. That is just rank. Right, I am absolutely. The trolley here is fine. Well, I hope it is anyway. It should be, but it doesn't look it, does it? Oh God. Why is there dirt in every corner of this room? And yet you've got, look, you've got ambi bags, you've got oxygen, you've got you've got a suction unit out there that's not even covered up. It used to be covered and it's not anymore. Look at this filth. So they're supposed to damp wipe the room. Is damp wiping just equipment? Because if it's just equipment and bed, then let's have a look, see if it's been done. Does that look like it's been done last night? No. So that man got paid £300 bonus, probably, because I had no night staff. What, to sit on his backside all night? I don't care who it is, I'm not bothered. There's people should be cleaning things out. It's disgusting. Let's go around the other side of the room. No, the bed hasn't been wiped, look. That hasn't been damp wiped. Right, no way has that been damp wiped. I can't see there, to be fair. I'm sure it'll come up on video, but I can't see. My nose is running because I'm allergic to the smell. Not the smell, the dust. What the hell is that on top of there? So that hasn't been wiped properly because it's been left with dirty stains on it. That's disgusting. Oh, good grief. This is what goes into my son's lungs. You know, I've showed everybody this machine before. Yes, I can do it with my hands because I tell you what, that place is minging, so I've got to clean a lot. So they got, is that dirt in there? I think so. I'll run the line on that because I can't have it dirty. I can't have his stuff filthy. So the side where the machine is. So you're telling me that £47 an hour, nobody can do a clean on it? So nobody can clean around where sterile gloves are kept? You know, let's have a look here. Are people going to blame me next? Because I'm sick to death with the NHS paying this money to an incompetent company that don't even know how to clean. Look at that. Would you have that for with your son on a ventilator? An inadequate ventilator that's been broken twice. This is his third ventilator from him because they broke it because there's been incompetent staff. Just go around here and have a little look. He's done his weights. Yeah, he's on the both. He's slowly but surely getting on. So it doesn't take a minute to do damp wiping, does it? I used to do it when I was on wards or in people's homes. This is his wardrobe. Gordon Bennett's site. Look at the state of that. How long has that been there? And there's hair. Oh, God, there's hair on it, Ben. Not just one, but a couple. I don't know what that mark is. I haven't got a clue. But this was all brand new furniture before they come in. This is disgusting. Down by the radiator, look. So they're really supposed to be elite. You call this elite? And now you're wondering why I'm moaning about nurses that are getting paid up to £80 an hour when they could be wiping the wall down. They don't wiping properly. Is that a cobweb? Because I don't really know. I sound like a right whinger, but oh, please don't let it be a cobweb. I hate spiders. Yuck. I mean, they stopped him from, God, I've got to scrub this room. So me and my daughter again are back scrubbing the room. They stopped the solve, which we make, which is there in the pots. It's got capacity to say yes, I want that used, and I want it used whether it be on his pressure sore, whether it be on his face. And the clinical leader said no, but the doctor said yes. So, and Ben says yes to it, and it has healed his skin, his pressure sores that were given by this company, this elite company of our Britain. It's disgusting. I don't know what the hell's going on. No wonder he's been on how many antibiotics you been on, Ben? In what, 5.5? Right, in 5.5 weeks he's had about, he said 6. I think he's had 5-6 lots, yeah, of antibiotics. Well, that's a lot. You know, he's had two and oh God, I keep going on about it. Like, but I'm just worried for other people out in the community, not just my son, that he's receiving the poor quality care, because it's managed absolutely poorly. I mean, to see that there is just disgusting. That is just disgusting. Why can't they pull this away? It doesn't weigh anything. And if that's the case, I don't think they should be here. Not for that amount of money. It doesn't justify that me and my family keep having to go round, because that's all we have to put up with is that. Yeah? That and that. Right, and that's all my son Ben has put up with is that. Since they've been in here, you know, he's just come off antibiotics again. He's had to be referred to the neurosurgeons because he was having some seizures, which he's never had, ever. And it's kind of like, I'm glad I've got the background that I've got. It's kind of like, it's a lot of clinical, a lot of ventilators, a lot of stuff, and I'm glad I know about it, because if I didn't know, then he would have died. I've already been told that on quite a few occasions already. You know, they should have some respect in people's homes. If they're being paid that amount when in a hospital, if you work for the NHS, I think you get £13.50 maybe to be a sister, something like that. I don't believe it should be that amount. I believe it should be more, you know. I'm just going to check around this area. You know, look, this is really bad management, because he should not have that. And I'm going to prove, oh, I don't like doing this, but, you know, that is disgraceful. Holy shit. That's disgusting. Now, you can see why I'm moaning, because that is in his room right now, and it's all over his room. And I'm worried for that machine, and the suction machine, and other equipment that is actually dirty. I don't understand it. You know, I have to cover the mask up, and I do that cleanly. That's done every morning. Yeah, we're still waiting to move house, but we haven't had nothing about that yet. But, you know, it still doesn't... Just because we've got a hole in the wall does not mean it's going to cause all this dust. There's no way on earth. I've worked in this kind of specialist care for years and years and years. And it's never, ever been... His bedroom's never been this grotty. And he's lived in a kitchen. You know, when he lived in the kitchen, he used to have a lot of filters, a lot more filters than that machine there. And they had to be changed twice a day, really, because we were cooking and eating and sleeping. Obviously, he was doing everything in there. Yeah, he need laugh. He means that too. You know, but that's the way. That's what you get dealt with in life. But you know, when you've got equipment, and when nurses, elite nurses, they're supposed to be. I'm trying to track them down to a separate company at the moment. It looks like they're using a separate company, which is really bizarre, because there's contracts not with them. And I've gone back to the NHS CCG. I've explained to them that his mark sheet still is absolutely horrific. They've got on acute medication, Meatball dressing. that's wrong. Do you know what a meatball dressing is? This, look, you don't have on, right, so you don't have, I don't really want to open these, but these dressings here, right, they shouldn't be on acute medication, neither should sterilized water, you know, that, and the same as any of the creams, right? It should not be on a prescription only medication, which is in, whoops, the medication box up there. Only medication should be on a mark sheet. So they've got that wrong. And now I've got to go and strip a trolley down because it's fucking dirty. These people need to get a grip, because they need all be moaning about each other and bitching. Look at the state of Ben's walls, you know. The floor, that black stuff in the floor, it's not. It's just the flooring, you know, it's awful flooring. I'd never get it again. But to see all this is just, for me, it's incompetent. It's not good enough. And a part of their job role is to clean that bed down twice on a shift. Now, there's no way last night that was cleaned. And this, and I keep moaning on about, harping on about, you know, NHS and giving the money out that tax people's pay for people like Ben to stay at home and keep him alive, etc. But, you know, these people are really taking the piss out of others, and it's just disgusting and incompetent. And I hope that they get caught out, you know, for what they've done, because this isn't a job. They haven't classed this as a job. They've classed it as just walk in, sit down, put him to bed at night, do days, and just write paperwork. It's not all about paperwork that's incompetent paperwork, and I'll show you that another day. But go back on the last videos of me moaning about, you know, cleaning, because it's just off the Richter scale. This is his bedroom, man. Don't somebody come back at me and moan about me and my cleanliness, because I'll tell you, his bedroom's always shit hot clean. It's just disgusting. Anyway, I've had me rant. I've got to go and get me scrubs on there to scrub it all up, because I am not going to not be donned on for all this. It's disgusting.